Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial, how to watch USB on Roku TV. Locate the USB port on the back of the TV. Insert the USB stick into the USB port. Scroll to launch and press OK. Select the desired media type and press OK. Select the desired directory and press OK. Using the directional buttons, scroll to the desired file and press OK. Your file will open. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.